How to redeem Discord Nitro code. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, locate your Discord application and then open it. Now tap on your profile icon. After that, you will find this Get Nitro option. Tap on it and then here you will have to tap on Get your Nitro pack. And after that, while making the payment, you will get an option of redeeming the code. If you have any gift cards or a gift you have purchased, you will get an option of redeeming that code. All you have to do is enter that code and then redeem it. So yeah, that's how you do it. The process will be same for the desktop or web version as well. I have shown this in my Android mobile application version. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.